So I was at Coles yesterday, and I saw that they were selling this fish. They even call it the Fijian albacore. I do not know if they were selling it regularly or it's just a one-time thing, but it was quite cheap. As a Fijian myself, I found this very insulting because it was the cheapest fish you can buy in Coles. It was only $3 something a kilo. You know, we're not that cheap. So I bought the rest that was left there, and now I'm going to try and cook it. If you do not know what the albacore is like the smaller version of tuna. They live mainly around the Fijian Ocean. When I used to live in Fiji, I remember this type of fish. It's only best to fry them. So I'm going to fry them and then have them for dinner. We'll see. There you go, fish is cooked. Now I have changed my mind. Now I'm going to do fish and lolo, or the traditional Fijian dish, vakalolo. Let's go. Okay, put some onions in. There you go. I'm just using the same oil that I fried the fish with. Okay, put some garlic in. So onions and garlic. This is how I do it. Some other people might have a different idea, but this is how I normally do it. There you go. Coconut cream, this is off the can. You never get the fresh coconut like in the island, eh? Always fresh in the island. I shove that in there. There you go. Throw in some tomatoes. Some onions. Onions and garlic. And then some bok choy. There you go. And you wait till it cooked. Okay, that's it. It's done. Let's try this Fijian albacore. I learned something today. A colorful plate is a healthy plate. So you gotta put more greens or vegetables in your plate. It's a bit dry, but this is probably the best way to do it. To fry it and cook it with the lolo or coconut milk. It's better this way. Clearly the travel from Fiji had a bad impact on this fish. I had a fresh albacore before and it's not dry like this. You know, sometimes we forget how fortunate we are in Fiji. Especially in the village, when you are able to get fresh food whenever you want. If you want a fresh fish, you just go out in the ocean and you catch a fish and you come and have it fresh, you know. That's how life in my village, because I grew up in the village. That's one of many things I miss about the village, the village life. It's so easy, you know, you have fresh food and just freedom that you don't get in many parts of the world. And also I was brought up not to waste food. Even though this fish wasn't that great, I still able to finish it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. More there.